This is bad?
That's a bad pad.
Why is the pad bad?
You can see here on this side, the friction material is completely gone. You can see where the rotor was actually rubbing against the backing plate of that pad.
Point to the backing plate. That would be the plate on the back?
Yeah.
This guy right here.
Yeah, that's right.
Huh. So, what is the sound that a brake pad like that would make when it runs against the rotor?
Be a loud grinding noise.
Can you impersonate the sound it would make?
Cannot.
Is it like a... or like a...
Like a...
like that? Is that the worst sound you can hear? The grinding sound?
As far as your brakes are concerned, yes.
Yeah. And it's just too late for your brakes at that point.
Yeah.
So the consequences of not changing your pads or getting your brakes tended properly, all sorts of bad things can happen.
Yeah, you could increase your stopping distance,
Right.
all kinds of noises, and you could damage your rotors.
So the point is, you get the works done, you keep an eye on your brakes take care of you, you don't pay more than you have to. Yeah, and everybody lives happily ever after.
That's right. Ounce of prevention, pound of cure.
Did you come up with that?
I did.